5 seconds. Start. As to the medical testimony, it is of a different quality entirely. Full point. It is what is known as opinion testimony. Full point. Very often medical testimony is of great aid in a case. Very often it is of no assistance whatever. Full point. Where you have two sides in a case, you have doctors on both sides. Full point. If you have 7 sides to a case, comma, you would probably find doctors on all sides, comma, and you would probably have different views from the doctors on each side. Full point. However, comma, doctors are supposed to be men who are better able to judge of such matters than we are. Full point. You will have to give their testimony full consideration and make up your mind whether it will be of any assistance to you. Full point. If it will be of any assistance, comma, you are to take the opinion of the doctors. Full point. You are not bound by the opinion of any doctor in the case. Full point. You are to consider their opinions for what you think they are worth, comma, and say which one is worth the most to you and which one the least, comma, and say how they impressed you on the stand, comma, and make up your mind as to the weight you will give their testimony. Full point. As I have already mentioned, comma, you have had a couple of doctors on one side and 3 doctors on the other. Full point. In some particulars, they agreed, and in others, they disagreed. Full point. You will consider their testimony and make up your mind as to where the truth lies as to the extent of the plaintiff's injuries. Full point.